Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your SST teacher, Ms. Farheen. And grade 4, I welcome you all to your social studies class. My dear students, as you all know that we are on unit number 1 of your social studies books, and the name of our unit is Citizenship. And today is its 4th lecture. So my dear students, we have already done a lot of things in the previous lectures. We have discussed about citizen, global citizen and cyber citizens. We have also discussed about human rights and fundamental rights. We have discussed about what are rights and responsibilities that we own as a citizen. So my dear students, today we will discuss about diversity. So let's quickly look at today's objective. Define the term diversity and identify the key characteristics of diverse groups within a society. तो आज हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि जब लोग एक जगह पर रह रहे होते हैं तो वो कैसे एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, देखने के लिहाज से भी मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, कल्चरल backgrounds भी different होते हैं, we have different religions, so that is how we are diverse and this is called diversity. इसका मतलब है variety बहुत सारी है, ठीक है, religions में variety है, skin color में variety है, cultures में variety है, so this is called diversity. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the skills that the students will develop. They will develop comparison and analysis skill. So let's quickly refresh our knowledge. Do you have a friend who belongs to other social, cultural or religious background? How do you behave with them? So my dear students, क्या आपका कोई ऐसा दोस्त है जो कि जिसका कल्चर आपसे डिफरेंट हो? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर पंजाबी, ही कुड बी पठान और पख्तून, और इफ़ यू आर पख्तून, योर फ्रेंड कुड बी पंजाबी और सिंधी. तो क्या आपके कल्चरल डिफरेंस से बैकग्राउंड से कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं? और क्या कोई आपका डिफरेंट रिलीजन से, कोई क्रिश्चियन हो सकता है, हिंदू हो सकता है, या इफ़ यू आर क्रिश्चियन सो यू मे बी हैव अ मुस्लिम फ्रेंड. सो हाउ डू यू बिहेव विद देम? We must behave nicely and with everyone, irrespective of their irrespective of their cultural background or their skin color or their religion. क्योंकि अल्लाह ताला ने हमें बताया है कि हमें सबके साथ अच्छे सलूक के साथ रहना चाहिए, एंड दिस इज अ बेसिक ह्यूमन राइट कि उसके साथ अच्छा सलूक किया जाए. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज टू विच कल्चर डू यू बिलोंग? आपका कौन सा कल्चर है? यू आर, इफ यू आर लिविंग इन पाकिस्तान, यू आर पख्तून, सिंधी, बलोची, पंजाबी, कश्मीरी. फ्रॉम विच कल्चर डू यू बिलोंग? I belong to Punjabi culture. Very nice. Now tell me, what is the age difference between you and your siblings? आपके जो बहन भाई हैं, if they are younger than you, so how younger are they? कितने साल आपसे छोटे हैं? और how older are you? और अगर आपके बहन भाई आपसे बड़े हैं तो how older are they from you? Very good. So my dear students, to which religion do you belong? Quickly tell me your religion. I am Muslim. Very nice. From here we will move forward towards Islamic perspective. And made you, Allah Ta'ala is saying in this, and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Verily the noblest of you is in the sight of Allah is the most God-fearing of you. Surely Allah is all knowing, all aware. So my dear students, यहाँ पे अल्लाह ताला स्पेसिफिकली कह रहे हैं कि अल्लाह ताला की नज़र में सबसे अच्छा और सबसे बेहतरीन वो है जिसका इखलाक या जिसका बिहेवियर दूसरों के साथ बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह ताला सब कुछ जानने वाले हैं, सब चीज़ों का उनको पता है. फ्रॉम हेयर वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स एन एक्टिविटी. So my dear students, make a comparison table. In the first column, write down your name, age, religion, favorite book, color, food, etc. Whereas in the second column, note down the details about your siblings and friends. So my dear students, here you will pause the video. आप वीडियो को pause करेंगे, and then what you will do is you will take a paper and divide it into 2 columns just like this. About me, about my friend. And then on one side you will write name, age, religion, favorite book, color, movie. On one side you will write about yourself, and the other column you will write about your friend. So this is how we will compare that how much different you are from your friend. And this is called diversity. Okay? Quickly pause the video and do this activity. I hope you must have finished the activity. Now quickly open page number 10 in your books. Pause the video and open the page. I hope everybody has opened page number 10 in their books. So my dear students, on this page, you can see this picture under diversity. Here you can see different cultures. Sindhi culture, Pakhtun, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Balochi. There are a lot of cultures that you can see in this one picture. And this is called cultural diversity. So now we will discuss in detail about different types of diversities, varieties that we have around us. Now let's put your fingers where I will read. Diversity. Diversity is an understanding that each person of the society is unique and different from others. It appreciates the difference in cultures. The differences may be in terms of race. Race means skin color, ethnicity, gender, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political thoughts, etc. So my dear students, you may have different backgrounds. आप different cultures से belong कर सकते हैं. You may have different skin colors, different age, different genders, for example, male and female. Then you maybe have different physical abilities. Somebody could be good in sports. Somebody could be good at maths. So these are called different physical abilities. You may be different in different ways, and this is called variety. और हमें इस variety को accept करना चाहिए. हमें इस variety को से जो है हमारी society जो है वो बेहतर हो सकती है. So my dear students, first, key characteristics of diverse groups within a society. The key characteristics of diverse groups in the society are as follows. So first of all, we will look at cultural diversity, which you can see here: Balti, Kashmiri, Balochi, Pathan, Sindhi and Punjabi. Here you can see a lot of diversity in the culture. लोग कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, कौन सी जुबान बोलते हैं, किस इलाके में रहते हैं. This makes us different culturally. We have different festival events. Okay, my dear students, now let's start reading cultural diversity. The existence of various cultural groups within a society is called cultural diversity. It includes the way of living of people, norms, and values. Pakistani culture is diverse. This includes Punjabis, Sindhis, Pashtuns, Kashmiris, and Baltis, coming from regions close to home as the Indus Valley. So my dear students, अब आपने यहाँ पर देखा कि हम पाकिस्तान में कितने ज़्यादा diverse cultures हैं. Somebody is Punjabi, Sindhi, Pakhtun, Kashmiri, Baltis. So we have a lot of cultural diversity in Pakistan, within Pakistan. देखिए कितने सारे cultures हैं. Cultural diversity में हमारी ज़बान मुख्तलिफ हो सकती है, हमारे पहनने ओढ़ने का एतबार different हो सकता है, खाने की पसंद मुख्तलिफ हो सकती है. So this is, we may have different cultures. We may have different types of heritage. So this makes us culturally different, and this is called cultural diversity or cultural variety. From here we will move forward. Now we will talk about race diversity. So race diversity, on your screens or on your book, you can see different pictures. First one is white, then there is Australoid, Asian and black. So you can see there are different types of skin colors and they vary with the regions the people are living. Okay? The people who are living in Africa, they have black skin colors. The people who are living in Asia, they have whitish skin color most probably, and the people who are living in Europe and in the West, they have mostly white skin color. So this is called race diversity. According to the skin color, we are different from each other. लेकिन हमें इसको भी respect करना चाहिए. So let's quickly have a look. Race diversity. The grouping of humans based on physical traits is called race diversity. यानी कि आप physically कैसे दिखते हैं, that is called physical traits, and this is called race diversity. For example, white, black, Asian, and Australoid. In Pakistan, people gather from different countries to play cricket. For example, Pakistan Super League. Some people belong to white race and some belong to black race. Despite the differences of race, they accept each other open-heartedly and respect diversity. So my dear students, अब आपने यहाँ पर देखा कि कैसे जो है लोग जो है पाकिस्तान में विद इन पाकिस्तान एक कंट्री है लेकिन लोग जो हैं वो मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें उनको पसंद हैं. दे मे बी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट portions of the Pakistan और उस हिसाब से भी they may have different physical traits, but this is called race diversity. और लेकिन हम सबको open heartedly accept करते हैं, हम सबके साथ मिलजुल कर चलते हैं, इसीलिए पाकिस्तान एक successful मुल्क बनता है. From here we will move forward, and here you can see race diversity again. Now we will move forward towards religious diversity on page number 12. So my dear students, here in this picture you can see that different people from different religions are sitting together. This is Hindu, Sikh, then comes Muslim, this may be Christian. So these are different religions that you can see. So this is called religious diversity, different types of religions. Presence of different religions and beliefs in society refers to religious diversity. For example, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Sikhism, etc. So my dear students, अब आपने देखा कि कैसे एक ही society के अंदर different types of religions जो हैं वो present होते हैं, and this is called religious diversity. Next we will look at age diversity. Age diversity. People with different age groups and multiple generations in the society are termed as age diversity. अब एक ही सोसाइटी में आप देख सकते हैं कि मुख्तलिफ एज ग्रुप के लोग होते हैं, बेबीज भी होते हैं, then there are toddlers, then there are teenagers, then there are adults, then there comes aged people, then there are grown-ups and old people. So this is how एज डाइवर्सिटी अकर्स कि एक ही जगह पर मुख्तलिफ, इवन आपके घर में भी मुख्तलिफ एज ग्रुप के लोग रहते हैं. इसी तरह हमारी सोसाइटी में डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप के लोग रहते हैं, वैरायटी ऑफ एज ग्रुप्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डाइवर्सिटी. नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी. सो व्हाट इज जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी? रेशियो ऑफ मेन एंड वुमेन इन अ सोसाइटी is known as gender diversity. So my dear student, एक ही सोसाइटी में आपने देखा होगा औरतें भी रहती हैं, मर्द भी रहते हैं. This is called gender diversity. Gender यानी कि आप मेल हैं या फीमेल हैं, औरत हैं या मर्द हैं, लड़का हैं या लड़की हैं. This is called gender. और कितने ज़्यादा लोग इस तरह से हमारे इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं. This is called gender diversity. So my dear students, here you can see different types of diversities. रिलीजियस डाइवर्सिटी, हमने कौन कौन सी डाइवर्सिटीज पढ़ी हैं? रिलीजियस डाइवर्सिटी, कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, रेस डाइवर्सिटी, एज डाइवर्सिटी एंड जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी. वी हैव इन टोटल स्टडीड 5 डाइवर्सिटीज, और आपको स्क्रीन पे भी नजर आ रहा है कि कैसे एक ही दुनिया में एक ही जगह पर मुख्तलिफ तरह के लोग रहते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइवर्सिटी. So activity time, identify from the pictures the key characteristics of the diverse group of society. So this shows religious diversity. This shows different skin color, race diversity. Now here you can see people are having different types of clothes. They may belong to different regions. This is called cultural diversity. And last, here you can see different age groups, babies, then teenagers, toddlers, adults. This is called, yes, very good, age diversity. और इसमें आपको male female भी नजर आ सकते हैं, तो this also has gender diversity. So my dear students, now let's wrap up the lesson. The difference among people is known as diversity. In our society, people are culturally, racially, religiously, age and gender-wise diverse. So my dear students, here you can see a worksheet on diversity which will be provided to you by your teacher, having different types of people in a group such as people of different race, cultures and abilities. This is called diversity, and then you have to write how are you different. ठीक है, आप कैसे different है बाकी सब लोगों से, you have to write about that. Then the next part is choose two friends how are they similar, how are they different. ठीक है, आपने friends की similarities, you will make two columns here, you will write their similarities and on the other side you will write differences. Okay, so दो friends आपने उनकी similarities और differences लिखने हैं. Do you think it is a benefit to have a diverse group of friends? Why? क्या आपको, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको यहाँ पे हिंट दूंगी कि क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर आपके डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, रेस, जेंडर, तो क्या इससे आपको कोई बेनिफिट होता है? क्यों? आई थिंक यस, बिकॉज वी लर्न डिफरेंट थिंग्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पीपल. वैरायटी ऑफ पीपल होंगे, वैरायटी ऑफ कल्चर्स होंगे, यू विल लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दैम. So my dear students, your homework for today is homework activity number 4 and homework activity number 5. In number 4, you will do from which culture do you belong? Ask your parents about your cultural history, dress and activities. Note it down and show your teacher the next day. आपको अपने culture के बारे में parents से पूछना है. Note it down in your notebook and show it to your teacher. Homework activity number 5. Do you think Pakistan has race diversity? Discuss it with your parents and write it down. क्या आपको लगता है कि पाकिस्तान में different race diversity है? How we have different physical traits. इसका आंसर मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Yes, Pakistan also has race diversity. How? Discuss it with your parents. Next is home activity number 6 given on page number 12. Do you think any diversity exists inside your home? If yes, make a chart of the characteristics which is causing those diversities. So my dear students, आपके घर में कौन कौन सी diversities मौजूद हैं? You have to write about that. ठीक है, gender diversity भी है और age diversity भी है, so you have to write about that. How? So next is homework, question number 9 on page number 21. Identify different diverse groups with key characteristics. आपको different जो हमने अभी diversities, 5 types of diversities पढ़ी हैं, आपने वो लिखनी है और उनके बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत लिखिएगा. Note it down in your notebook. 5 diversities we have just read. So my dear students, आज हमने totally diversity के बारे में पढ़ा. How we are variety of different people live around us in our society, and this is called diversity. In next class we will study about the term diversity and its key characteristics. ये तो हमने अभी पढ़ लिया. Next class में हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे diversity जो है वो हमारे society को prosper करने में या flourish करने में help out करती है. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.